Today we are going to a place called Tyre, also known as Sur. So we're going to a beach there, but the beach is also part of a restaurant. So really it's like a restaurant that kind of owns the beach. And we're going to be eating around there, and we will be going in the water a bit. Can you explain where we're going?
رايحين اليوم على مدينة سور، مدينة سياحية وحلوة كتير على البحر، بعيدة عن ضيعتنا المية نص ساعة بالسيارة، فيها مطاعم وفيها مسابح وبدنا ننبسط كتير، وفيها أثارات كتير حلوة على أيام الرومان.
Romans.
وإن شاء الله بدنا ننبسط اليوم نحن وجينيفر.
We are at Captain Bob right now, and it is.
You got like a video log? Lebanon. Welcome to Beirut. This is what an almond looks like before you break it and roast it.
As they said, this here is a green almond, and you crack it open, and inside it is the almond.
Yes, you can go with them. Here.
Faftaha.
Ah, ya cubano, ah.
That's the almond that you eat on the inside, and it comes out of there. Shu taibe? Very good. So, my cousin just said that the people over there are having conversation about who is fat and who's not, and they were looking at us, and apparently we're not fat, so I guess that's good. But yeah, so people here do notice stuff like that. Okay, Rewa, what did you just say?
Okay,
Boundaries.
okay, هونيك boundaries تبعوا Lebanon and Israel.
Yeah.
Okay, هونيك.
Okay, so if
the mountains over there.
If you look over there, it might be hard to see, I don't really know right now, but there's mountains, and right behind us, right there, the mountains right behind us, those are the boundaries for Israel. So, yeah, you could see Israel from here. La 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 la, hello Chip.
The water is
Right.
clear.
The water here, as you can see, is so clear. So clear that you can also see the trash bags in it. And it's kind of cool. You know, sometimes it wraps around your leg, and you might think it's a fish, but really it's a trash bag. So you freak out for a second, and then realize it's not a fish, but then you freak out again because it's a trash bag and you don't know what might be in it.
He found this in the water.
Beautiful, long, pretty, just like me. There's a dog near us. There's a dog, so we're gonna escape. Okay. Are you sure? Okay, we don't know if the dog could come here or not, so.
We're scared. We're screwed.
Where's the dog? Oh gosh, no, let's sleep. Just in case the dog comes. So, Jana got scared, so she's going back because of the dog. We're hoping, oh wait, I don't think she's, I don't know, but we just hope that the dog does not come and attack us. Anyway, look at how beautiful this is. These are all Roman ruins right here. They've been here for centuries, been here for a while. But that's what makes this city beautiful, you know? That's what makes Lebanon beautiful, is that it's so historic, and there's so many places that you could see that have been untouched. The food is here and it looks great, but this is only the beginning.
You're too slow.
This is the best part. This is where the fish comes in. This is what we've all been waiting for. Yeah. These are my favorite fish. There are bigger ones. They're over there. I put them on video earlier. These are ladyfish. Yeah. These are ladyfish. You know? You might have seen them on SpongeBob. Sometimes I find them on SpongeBob. If you don't see them anymore, this is where they end up. They fry them, and you could, fun fact is you could eat the head. Very good.
شوفي أنا كنت عم باكل بالفيديو بتقطع البطاطا هون. شوفي شوفي.
Okay, this is the most fresh fish that you'll get because we're right on the ocean. I mean,
زلحت وين؟
انا بجيبها شوي صغيره بس في عالم كثير يعني.
When you have a camera, ابقى طعمي بس.
Cool.
She's feeding him.
Exactly last food. So Layla right here, she's my ice cream buddy. We have a stalker. Yeah, everybody stays away from him because he just stares at. Look at the way he walks. Layla, our stalker is here.
Don't give me Batman. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna kill more people.